Welcome back. There are a number of ways to output the content that Claude gives you. One way, of course, is to use copy and paste, and you can click copy contents and move that content into your favorite word processing document. You can also download to a file. When you download to a file, you will need to specify a program on your personal computer that can open Markdown files. For the sake of this video, we've chosen Microsoft Word, and one of the things you'll see is that the file type is considered to be .md, which is Markdown. However, we do have the content where we can use it. We can also output the document by publishing the document. This makes the document public so that other people can see. When we click on Publish and Copy Link, that means that others will be able to see the document and that it is published. If we want to make the document private, we can always click Unpublish. We want to click the Copy link, and we're going to head to our browser so that we can see the document published. And we're going to paste in the document. So I was going to give that person a dialog box, and they will then be able to see your content. If that person then has a Claude account, they can then remix the artifact in their account. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.